In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of a shape in Google Slides using your PC. This simple skill can make your presentations more visually engaging and tailored to your particular style or brand. So, let's dive right in and make those slides more vibrant. First, you'll need to go to Google Slides. If you aren't familiar with where to find that, simply open your web browser and type in Google Slides, or go directly to the URL for Google Slides, which will take you straight there. You will need to sign into your Google account if you aren't already logged in. As this is a step that protects your privacy and allows access to your personalized documents, make sure you have your login details ready if required. Once you're signed in, you're on the Google Slides homepage. Here, you are presented with options to start a new presentation. You can either choose to start from scratch by clicking on the blank presentation option, or make use of one of the myriad of templates available. These templates can save you time and give your slides a more consistent look depending on your needs. After opening a presentation, whether it's blank or templated, the next step is to select the shape whose color you want to change. Click on the shape in your slide to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see little blue boxes, called bounding boxes, around the shape. If you haven't added a shape yet, go ahead and insert one by clicking on the shape icon in the toolbar and choosing your preferred shape. With your shape selected, head over to the toolbar at the top of your screen and find the paint bucket icon, which represents fill color. Clicking on it reveals a palette with a variety of colors. You have all the colors you can think of, from bright primary colors to more muted tones, and even an option to use a custom color. This is super handy if you have a specific shade in mind or need to match your organization's brand colors. Once you've selected the color that you want, click on it, and just like that, the shape you selected will change color. If you decide you want a different color after all, no worries, simply repeat the process by selecting the shape again, clicking on the fill color tool and choosing a new color. It's all about experimenting and finding the perfect look for your presentation. And there you have it, changing the color of a shape in Google Slides is just that easy. This small touch can make a big difference in how professional and polished your presentation appears. Keep practicing these steps and soon you'll be a pro at customizing your slides to suit any occasion or audience. Thank you for watching, and happy designing on Google Slides.